That's why I'm young, yes, I'm gonna have some fun. I'm taking you on a tour, guys. I am in Florida. Yeah. Well, it is Sunday, and today is the day of my brother's baby shower, and it's gonna be fun. That's his first baby for him and his wife, and I'm gonna be celebrating with them. And so, yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys on a tour. Let me give you a little view of where I'm at. So, it is beautiful. It's a little bit warm, on the warm side, but it's a beautiful day in the FL.
Miss you, baby. I can't sleep. Baby boy, walk love me like you again. I walk touch me like you again. I walk box me like you again. I walk make me happy like you again. Enough time all a meditation. When me look back on the situation, I see where we went wrong. But it don't matter, just this one.
Okay, so I'm about to go into the store and grab me things. But yeah, I'm in love with the palm trees. So big up all of my subscribers and all my friends who lives in Florida, especially the ones who live in Fairmont, Florida. Big up yourself, Juliana in the house. Alright, so this is my present situation.
Girl alone and not that me say. One love alone you're getting if you're loving not good. But if you're loving good, me treating you as you should. Every girl way have the right body. Scream out loud, make we know say you're proud. No man can say your body big like shoes. Me know you not do it, them just a make false news. That's why me still loving you, hugging you. Me nah do it. I feel for girl, any wish for me then I am a with me give you. I'm going to say that.
Me come back up and bring my arm, me come from jungle. But I come from fire outside, you come from the wine. One blood, one blood, one blood. You could have come from Libya, you come from America. You could have come from Europe, you come from Africa. One blood, one blood, one blood. You could have be an Irishman or an Englishman. You could have be a Mexican or a with Italian. One blood, one blood, one blood. Hi guys, so I'm back here at my brother's house, and it is about 12:30 in the evening, and the baby shower starts at 2 o'clock. So I'm about to get ready, but I wanted to touch base with you guys on something. Now, when you guys are asking me for recipes, make sure to check out the prior recipes that I have up already. I think I have a total of about maybe 180 recipes up. So check the recipes first just to make sure that I already have them up, and that way you don't have to ask me for that one. You could ask for something else, but I have pretty much a lot of recipes up. I think it's about 180 recipes, so check those out, okay? And so we'll take it from there. So it's hard for me to put links on every single person that asks me for a recipe that I already have. It's really hard. So check the recipes out first, then if you don't see what you need, then ask me and I will be more than happy to make it for you. So yeah, I'll get dressed. So I'm all done getting dressed. It's a little hot. It's really really hot. So because I'm going to show you guys what that looks like once I get outside. And yeah, I have my little Indian attire on here. A little Indian style outfit. Take some pics. And a little simple little necklace here. Oh, and dandles. And my little rings here. That looks good, right? So, see outside. So we're here and we're heading into baby shower mode. We are going into baby shower. How you doing? Let's go. Yeah. Over here, this side. Okay. Devania, let's put your gifts here. Oh, it's beautiful. Nice, right? How you doing? But we'll sit down, baby. So we sit. On my blog. A blog. Yeah. You on the blog. So that's my brother. So that's brother's baby shower. He's having a baby girl, right? You will take it. The picture man take a vlog, me a vlog. And that's the food. Yeah. Yeah, so that's what's up. Food time to eat. Alright, so Ryan. Hey, Navadia. What up? What you gotta say? Eh? She's shy, no, man. What she try, so? I can stay right here and what I gotta do.
But all of these are not We're finishing up that game because we're coming to the close. If we can have all the ladies that are willing, please come up and get a gift. Any gift. If it's your gift, you can get it. Open it up. We're going to go around the room and say who it's from. All right? And then, as you please, before you leave, we have a candy bar back here, a dessert table. And a favor, which is water, because after all those sweets, you're probably going to need some water. So please grab those. All right, so anybody that is able and willing to come up and grab a gift to help with, nobody's about the name of the gift. Oh, okay, this goes in there.
Shy girl, a shy world. Let me go see if we can win it. Yeah, only because I can walk up there and measure our belly. What have a string there? What a string? That's a string. What my next string? Mama. Oh. Candy, bro. done told you. See, I told you her belly was not that big. Hey, Mama. Wanna try mine? Try mine.
Oh God, about it. This ain't gonna work.
You were the one that told me to cut it like that. You try it. Try. You never know. Too short? That's your fault. See? I should have. Well, here, Mama. I want to get my candy.
Baby, you want anything over there, sir? Over there, sir.
It's still on. Oh, that's the umbrella something. Well, that looks yum, chefs. That's video box.
It's raining.
I see. It's raining outside.
Oh, it's a travel system. It's a travel system. It's a travel system. Yeah, it's a car seat and stroller.
Not even having ready yet. No, you can have it.
Grandma, what you doing?
Some Pampers. Auntie Debbie and cousin Stephanie.
Thank you.
Set, go.
Some outfits. Onesies. They're pretty. They're pretty. My sister-in-law. Oh, okay. Onesies. Oh, his first daddy one. Yay. I felt daddy's card.
I thought that everyone was over there like mine.
Yes. Okay, Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Some Pampers. Raise it. A book. Janet and Roger cousins.
Sister on the vlog.
An outfit.
Sister on the vlog. There's my sister right there.
Is there anything you'd like to share? Is there anything you'd like to share?
Big up the couple and the new baby every time straight. Love you guys.
That's a good start.
Thank you, sissy. But if I know you're going to make it enough.
Why? We try hard.
I know. So
I'm gonna change them the clothes them quick.
I see. Yes, you're not hungry. Food over there. Food over there, man. Rice and peas and chicken wings, jerk chicken, and different stuff. Curry chicken too? So everything is all done and now we're on our way back to Georgia. I had an amazing time with my family. It was good. So now babe went into Dunkin' Donuts to grab some coffee. I hope you're gonna drive some of the way, and if not, babe gotta drive most of the way. But I'm gonna help him with the driving though. Yeah, but it was good to see my fam. It was fun. Another thing I wanted to mention, because I'm here looking at some of the YouTube messages that you guys send for me on my curry chicken foot recipe, and I'm just gonna let you guys know that whatever you guys ask me to make, that is what I'm gonna make. That does not necessarily mean that you are going to like those recipes. It's not meant for you, it's meant for the people who ask for those recipes. And then whatever you ask for, I'm gonna make it. So not because you don't like it, that means you're going to give it a thumbs down and say something negative about the recipe. If you don't like chicken foot, or if you don't like pork, or if you don't like jerk chicken, or if you don't like rice and peas, or if you don't like the way that I do it, that doesn't mean that you're going to be happy. It's meant for somebody else. It's going to make somebody else happy. Okay, so I just want you guys to know that. So anyway, now I'm looking at another comment that another subscriber left me, right? And she's gonna tell me that I know nothing about cooking. You know what I have to say about that? The birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees. Like stooping down to the level that them want me to stoop down to. I'm not gonna stoop down to the level that, so I'm not gonna just ignore it. Just like I'm ignore me haters them in a real life. I think sometimes when people leave a comment on something and you answer, it just goes to a way different level. It goes to a way different level. People just run with it, and sometimes people become very disrespectful. You know, like people are telling me say, "Oh, my lashes and whatever." Listen, man, me will go wear my lashes and on top wear my lashes. Okay, if you don't like my lashes, then bite my lashes. Then coming on top with me, feel like with my lashes, me weird. You know, I love all my imperfections. I have a ton of imperfections, and so many of them I can't even get to all of them. But I love all my imperfection. I wish I could change a lot of things about myself, but unfortunately I can't, and I just have to learn to love those imperfections. You know, God kept me here for a reason, and I'm embracing those reasons. And you don't have to love the reason why that Jesus Christ kept me here all these years, but I'm happy that I'm here with all my imperfection. So that's what the thing said. So yeah, you can't tell me bored, right? I'm only need to hurry up and come into the car, because a couple seconds without him is like torture. Now guys, I want to have a question, because I have a concern here. As you guys know that I'm engaged, right? And in the middle of wedding planning. I'm not going to share my wedding date with them, because I want to eat with them. I can't take up my thing every day, up my thing, and they my thing and stay up my thing. So I have my wedding date set, and we're in the middle of planning a wedding right now. Alright, so but anyway, the question is, Do you think it's okay to take care of your man or take care of your wife, or take care of your man or take care of your woman? Man, if you take care of your woman, do you think it's okay to treat them like a wife or treat them like a husband before marriage? Let me know how you feel about that question, because a lot of people say, oh, a woman shouldn't call a man hubby if they're not married, and a lot of people say a man shouldn't call a woman wifey unless he has her on paper. So tell me what you guys think about that. Hi guys, I made it home safely. I just want to shut this down and say good night. I hope to see you in my next video. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I will catch you in my next vlog. Bye. I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.